Hi, this is Brianne from the Audio Visual Office. Today we're going to be learning about the HD hard drive camera. We're going to do some setup for it. First thing you're going to want to do is attach it to your tripod. So you're going to pop the plate off the tripod, and you're going to take this screw right here and put it into the bottom part and then screw it right on. And that will secure the plate to the camera. And then you just slide it on, push down, and make sure this is secured all the way. That way it won't come off. Next thing you're going to want to do is attach the charger. Make sure it's plugged in. And then the charger for this camera is right up here. If I can get to it. I'm just going to plug that in right there. And you are set to start filming. Next we're going to do some simple operation videos. Now we're going to be learning about the basic operations of the high definition hard drive camera. The first thing you want to do is make sure your camera is on. The button to turn the camera on is this power button right here. Just press it once and it will turn your camera right on. It'll also turn your camera off. Next thing you want to do is to start recording. Before you start recording, make sure that this switch right here is on the automatic setting. It's on the manual setting, it's a little bit harder to use, and it's more for people who are very skilled with cameras. So, in order to start recording, you press this little button right here, and as you'll notice, the time starts ticking right up here, showing that you are recording, as well as the red dot on the screen. Next thing you're going to want to do is learn where your zoom is. The zoom is up top right here, this little slider. In order to zoom in, you go to the right. In order to zoom out, you go to the left. In order to stop recording, you press the record button once again, and you'll notice that it has stopped recording. Every time you press the record button once to start and once to stop, it'll create a brand new video file, so you'll have multiple video files. And this concludes the basic operations of the camera. The next step for the HD hard drive camera is to get the clips off the camera onto your computer. First, before you do that, if you ever want to see your clips before while you're recording, you just have to press this little button right here with the camera to playback button. When you press that, the screen will switch over to the different video clips. In order to watch the video clips, you just tap the screen on the video clip,
and as you'll notice,
and it will start playing. Tap again, and it'll stop. In order to get the clips onto your computer, you have to connect this little USB cable to your computer and then to the camera. In order to do so, the plug is located underneath the hand strap in this little flap. Just plug it in. And the camera will start connecting to your computer. Eventually, your computer will come up with the autoplay menu. When it does, you will open the file and you'll be presented with three options. In order to find your clips, you will click on the AVCHD file. Then next you will click on the BDMV file. And then finally, in order to find your clips, you will click on the stream file. And there will be all of your video clips. In order to get them on your computer, you just drag and drop the files onto your desktop. And that concludes the HD hard drive camera instructional video. For more information, contact the AV office. One last thing is that the file size of these hard drive cameras, for the high definition ones, are very, very large. The transfer will take a significantly longer time than the other cameras.